This trend needs to stop. When I talk about tech products, usually there are two types of products, right? There are like some company trends that are going on right now, and not all of them are actually good. Let's get into what trends are there. There are two types of trends right now. One of them is definitely AI. Actually, both of them are actually AI. This is a bit different from each other. One is companies pushing out AIs, and then you get 1 week after the release of the product, the actual AI implementation, right? But not all companies do that. We have companies like AI Pin and Rabbit R1, which we have seriously talked about before. Most of the YouTubers have talked about this. And as MKBHD says,
so stop me if this sounds familiar at any point, but check this out. This is a virtual assistant in a box.
Which technically means they give you the whole AI assistant inside a technical physical product, even though you have a phone, which kind of beats the point. Click that subscribe button, by the way. They call these AI assistants, which I wouldn't really call them AI assistants. I mean, are they really AI assistants? Let's talk about that later, right? So what's the trend in here? Giving unfinished products to customer base, right? They give unbaked products and they call them, yeah, okay, in a few years by now, we'll give you the promised things that we have promised with this product. Which, technically, okay, it's a good thing. I mean, we're getting 3 years of great updates, great stuff. But when I'm buying it, it's nothing there. Well, what am I supposed to do? But okay, it's ignorable to an extent, right? What AI Pin is doing actually is interesting. They charge 700 USDs for the model, right? The AI Pin. And then they charge on top monthly subscriptions, which technically is like 24 USDs every single month. And if you don't pay for it, you technically lose the product. While Rabbit R1 actually is 200 USDs, way cheaper. It's made out of plastic, comes in one color, unless you want to go to D brand. Yeah, they have good stuff, right? And doesn't have any monthly subscriptions or something. So that's good. But it doesn't really do as much as your phone does, right? It barely ever sets alarm clocks or notes or something. Well, some apps work for now. Well, this trend hasn't just started because of these two companies. This started long back as well. Tesla, when they initially just released the AI autonomous feature, they actually tried this. They took advantage of people using their cars. But the cars were mostly put ahead as EV cars, which is, I mean, pretty decent. And then the autonomous part came in. So it is a really decent update. Well, companies like Google and Apple haven't really started them. Did Apple really start it? I mean, if you consider the Apple Vision Pro as something like this, I mean, it should be considered as something like this. Hey, anyways, they delivered, and it's a great product. It's a way great product. Hey, hopefully this stops or improves in such manner. But yeah, let's go. Let's taste that game.